Hello guys, welcome to Simple Mix Tips. Today, our tutorial is about how to record your cell phone screen. If you're planning to make a tutorial or instruction, how to operate a cell phone to somebody, you can record your cell phone screen and send it to him or to her to follow step by step on which to press and what to expect. If you press that button, you can do it by finding that screen record on the setting on top. So if you do that, then everything that you're going to do with your cell phone will be recorded like that. So you can go to YouTube, to Facebook, and also you can make some adjustment like opening your microphone, and also that yung hand like that, the one the point button, that's my finger. So you can open that on the setting, an additional setting, so the viewer can know what your finger is doing and which button are you pressing, something like that. So if you're planning to make tutorial and you need to record your cell phone screen, you can do it. So like that, I'm watching one of my short video, and also it can record the original sound. I just mute being copyrighted. So guys, if you want to find or where to find the screen recording, go to your setting at the top of your cell phone, drag it down guys, go to the setting. Later on, go to the setting guys. I will just clear this and then drag it down, go to the setting, drag it down, and look for the screen recording. So guys, if you cannot find the screen setting, because usually it's on the bottom, press that box with the check mark, and then it will show the extra setting, and drag it up so you can use it easily, you can find it easily. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to help me grow my channel. Thank you guys.